Let's learn about describing depth with absolute value. A submarine is at a depth of negative 200 meters below sea level. What is the absolute value of this depth, and how does it describe the position of the submarine? So let's get a visual here. We have our sea level right here. That's going to be 0 meters, right? 0 meters, sea level. Our lovely submarine here. Don't judge my drawing of it here. There we go. That submarine here is at a negative 200 meters below sea level, right? We're going below sea level. Well, what's the absolute value of that? The absolute value of negative 200 is the distance from 0, in this case, distance from sea level, which is 200, a positive. It's always going to be a positive number. So 200 meters. So what does that mean in relationship to the submarine? Why can it be positive? Well, a lot of times when we're describing that difference, we'll say below or above with depth here, and we won't write the negative. So if I said we're below sea level 200 meters, I wouldn't say below sea level negative 200 meters. That'd be like a little double negative. So the absolute value kind of shows that here, and we would say that our submarine is 200 meters below sea level, and it's at a depth of negative 200 meters, but it's 200 meters below sea level. I hope you learned something here describing depth with absolute value, and as always, thanks for watching.